Welcome to the Jeunex My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus skin cream brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Jeunex? Blah blah blah, brr brr brr. What is Jeunex? What are advantages of Jeunex? What are disadvantages of Jeunex? Could Jeunex amp your sex life? How it works. Jeunex have any special discount? How to use Jeunex free trial available now? What are Jeunex ingredients? How safe amp effective is this product? Jeunex have any side effects? Jeunex real customer result. Where to buy Jeunex? How much cost? Does Jeunex is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Jeunex? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Jeunex. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link amp, know complete information about your confusion.